Hi, you need to turn the crown out and turn the hands 24 hours or until the date changes once. So I'm just gonna go forward. There, the date changed. So now you need to go back to 9 p.m. because obviously it changes at 12 midnight. You need to go back to 9 p.m., just pass a little bit the 9 marker, and go forward and past 12 midnight. The date changed again. All you need to do is repeat this until you get to the right and desired date. I'm just gonna do it once more so that you can see. And that's it. So you're going back and forth between 9 p.m. and 12 midnight. That's only 3 hours back and forth. That's it. Thank you.